So, when I first bought this Hicks with headset, which is a fake by the way, before you guys comment, is this a real diecast? This is a fake version. We'll be comparing them to the original release, but when I first bought this Hicks with headset, I originally bought it because the headset was on the opposite side to the official release here, as we can see. But when it arrived, I took a close look and I realised it was the Cars 1 Hicks with headset, which is actually a pretty cool fake if you ask me. Mattel haven't even bothered making something like this, and I guess it's now canon in the world of cars. Like, straight after the 2007 video game or the 2006 video game, Hicks probably straight up retired with his one piston cup. Couldn't beat McQueen again. McQueen won, and Hicks basically straight up retired and became a commentator straight away. And we can see, he was a commentator in Cars 3. Today we'll be taking a closer look at this factory custom of Cars 1 Hicks with headset, which I got about 2 months ago at the time of recording this, 3 months when this video goes up. So yeah, here he is. First of all, here is the base, just to get you guys know that this is a fake. It does say made in China, and there is no official base code, no other codes as such, to let you guys know that this is an official release, which it is not. I got this on Vinted actually, instead of from China or AliExpress or eBay. I saw it and I didn't even know what it was until after a few weeks after buying it. So yeah, here he is. We're going to take a close look at the Hicks now, so we can see he has the usual moustache, the HTB on the headlight there with the 86 as well. Hostile takeover bank with a dark green paint job. The balloons are still there with, of course, his regular expression. Doesn't have his own Hicks tyres like he does in the, headset version. Hicks tyres, whereas he has Lightyear tyres. But we do have all the sponsors still, which are clear as day. Press, piston cup revolting. Got some unique ones like Sludgy over here, which isn't even a sponsor in Cars 1, which I absolutely love. Sludgy. Hostile takeover bank at the back, even though it says rank. I think the B is a bit, scratched over. Lovely 86 in the middle. Got the headset there. The back, you can see the headset with all the sponsors still. With the HTB logo right there in the back. Try and get some close up. We've got Yum, Sputter Stop. I love Hicks with all his sponsors. It looks pretty cool. And there is the other side. Comparing him to his official, Chinese counterpart now from Cars 3. Even though he didn't appear in Cars 3 with a headset, we can only, imagine. The headset has been completely swapped. The same as his expression. The HDB logo has gone. It is now replaced with a Racing Sports Network logo. The 86 on the hood there, Hicks. He has gained some sponsors on his hood though, compared to the Cars 1 version. On the side, we got the RSN headset instead of it, just being black and yellow. Some of the sponsors are in the same place, but RSN there. Don't know why it says it twice right underneath it though. The 86 is way much more bigger on the fake version. Different tyres, of course. There's the back, Racing Sports Network compared to Hostile Takeover Bank. Doesn't have any sponsors on the back window here, whereas he does on the Cars 1 version. This is a really nice factory custom. One I'd highly recommend getting if you can get your hands on him. And we can see the headphones, or the headset, has been completely flipped. Here is the Thailand version of Hicks with headset. I don't actually own it, the Vietnam one, because it is in a multi-pack, which is one of the rarest variants for, Hicks. The switch from China to Thailand. Thailand Naturally Certain is up there. Tow Truck Tom is up there. Shiram as a release is up there. The first, official releases from Thailand. Those ones are extremely rare because not many collectors were interested in Thailand stuff. Former and forever Piston Cup champion. which it does say on the official Chinese version. That was an added on piece. You know, there's the base of that. And I actually apologise, I forgot to show you the base of the official. You can see the official base there from China. I thought I'd show off the fake version of Chick Hicks here, as we can see. This is the fake version. No base markings whatsoever. Literally a straight up copy. Just added on the different coloured rims and the headsets. Some awesome stuff indeed. Very nice stuff. HDB is a bit more darker green though than this one. There's the other side. Some awesome stuff. Can't forget to show off the regular version of Chick Hicks from Cars 3 as well. With the rubber tyres, which was available in B&M stores in the UK for quite a while. B&M is such a great place to go to in the UK for cars. Really cheap, really good stuff. Not sponsored by B&M whatsoever in this video. So yeah, shame I don't have the Vietnam version of Chick Hicks with headset. Maybe you can only live with the Thailand and Chinese one for now. Maybe I'll do a Thailand versus China in the future of the Chick Hicks with headset, but what is the point? I just reviewed them in this video today. Will you get the fake Cars 1 version Chick Hicks with headset? Let me know in the comments below. To the very next video, which will be tomorrow as normal. Peace everybody, and don't forget to subscribe.